A lot of times insurance companies will come and try and settle out a claim very quickly because insurance company is not your friend. Insurance company is not there to pay out settlements. Insurance companies are in business to make money. Our job is to make sure that the insurance companies pay a fair settlement, pay something that allows people to take the children to the hospital. Frustrates me when I see clients that come in that have settled out with the insurance companies a couple days after the accident and to come to find out that their claim is worth substantially more than what the insurance company paid them. But there's nothing we can do about it. I wish people would call us the day after the accident or the day of the accident, because one phone call to an attorney can allow us to get working on their case so that clients don't have to worry about dealing with the insurance company, about dealing with the insurance adjusters, about worrying about their medical bills. They make one phone call to us, we take care of everything. We'll help them get a rental car, we'll help them get the proper medical care, and we'll talk to the insurance company, and we'll get these claims worked on, get processed, get them moving very quickly so that my clients only have to worry about taking care of themselves or their children or their loved ones who have been involved in that accident.